Hi, welcome back to my channel. So for today, we are going to sum up the thing that we have done last video, which is about rate, period rate, and time of term. So this is summing up with teacher Ja. Summing up. All right, so as we all know, rate is the yearly rate of increase of the investment. Sorry for the typographical error or typographical mistake. Okay. There you go. So, and for the second one, which is the period rate, that is the rate of interest for one conversion period. And part time of term is how long in years the money is being borrowed or invested. Okay, so today we are going to apply that into a simple real life situation. So let's have first the problem of Jude. Jude invests money in a bank, and the bank gives 6% yearly interest. So the interest is compounded monthly and leaves her money for 2 years. So your task is for you to give me the rate, period rate, and time of term. Again, you will do it for 30 seconds. Your timer starts now. Time's up. Let's start with the rate. So again, when we say rate, it is the annual rate. So what is our annual rate for Jude? It is 6%. All right, now let's talk about period rate. What about period rate? Since it says here that it is compounded monthly, what are we gonna do with the rate of 6%? So we are going to divide it by 12. Why 12? Because of the word monthly. And what is the answer? 6% divided by 12. Okay, so the answer is 0.5%. So meaning in a month, the interest rate will be 0.5%. What about time of term, the length of time? Okay, the answer is 2 years. Because we are talking about the length of time in accordance with a year. Okay, now let's move on with Maria. Maria, your timer starts now. Okay, time's up. So what about this one? The bank offers 5% annual interest and compounded quarterly. She keeps her money in the account for 3 years. You need to find the rate. What is the rate? It is the rate is okay, 5%. What about the period rate since we have here compounded quarterly. What are we gonna do? Hmm? Okay. So for this, we are going to divide it by 4 because of the word quarterly. Because you are going to pay it every 3 months. 5% divided by 4 is equal to 1.25%. Now, what about the time of term? The time of term is 3. Okay, thank you for listening. See you again to our next lesson. Goodbye.